Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music to status not showing on WhatsApp. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Firstly, let's go over to WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Let me go over to updates, which is the status area. Let me choose a picture here. Let me choose this in case you're not seeing any music sign or music icon at the upside, or you have it but you can't post the picture with the music on. What you have to do is for you to go over to your setting. Here is my setting, and let me go over to general. You can scroll down, you're going to see general. If you are using an iPhone, you go over to your storage, your iPhone storage. If you are using an Android phone, you go over to your phone storage. Also, what you have to do is for you to clear up some space. As you can see, I don't have enough space on my phone. Let's clear up some space here. And you have to, let me go over to WhatsApp here. Let me go over to WhatsApp. I don't have enough of space, so I'm going to clear some space here. Okay, let me look for WhatsApp. Look at WhatsApp over here. Let me go over to it here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to offload this app. I'm going to offload this app. You're not going to delete the app. So you offloading the app means that you're going to, like, enough of space is going to come back to your phone. You're going to have some space on your phone. So I'm going to offload the app. Or another option is for you to go over to your Apple Store. In case you have a lot of space on your phone, you can go over to your Apple Store or Play Store. And what you have to do, you can go over to the search area, and let me go over to the search area right here. Let me go over and type WhatsApp. This is the search area. Let me type in WhatsApp. In case you have not updated your app, look at my WhatsApp Messenger is not updated. So what you have to do is for you to go over there and update your WhatsApp. And when you are done updating it and the music also is not showing, you have to go over to your WhatsApp. Let me go over to my WhatsApp. Go over to the setting area and go over to storage and data, and go over to manage storage. And over here you can free up some space, and I promise you, if you follow this step which I just mentioned here, you'll be able to post on your WhatsApp status with music on it, either with video or pictures with music on the background. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.